Today I'm reviewing Prathyasha Nature Cure Center, one of the oldest naturopathy centers in Kerala. This center was founded by Dr. M.V. Sukumaran in 2002. Dr. Sukumaran is an experienced naturopathy physician.
തെറ്റി വേദന ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ പറയണം കേട്ടോ. അതല്ലേ എനിക്ക് ബാക്ക് പെയിൻ ഉണ്ടോ?
There are two centers, one in Tirthali and the other one is in Madakkampoil, both in the Kannur district in Kerala. I will add the address and contact details in the description. The center focuses on natural self-healing without using drugs or medicines, using techniques like fasting, water therapy, steam therapy, mud therapy, acupuncture, and other natural therapies. This is my second time to the center. First time was last year for 21 days, of which 14 days I fasted and 7 days was to come back gradually from the fasting state. This year I've come for 14 days, of which 7 days I've fasted and rest of the 7 days is spent on breaking the fast and having other naturopathy treatments. I was very happy last year when I came here. Last year I came to get some relief from my asthma. I was using a lot of inhalers, steroid inhalers, and I was not happy with that. So I decided to come here and see whether I can get relief from it. And also I had shoulder pain due to bursitis and tendonitis. I was totally pain-free after all the therapies last year. With asthma, I did find a lot of relief. I could reduce the inhalers. This year, I came back because I was very happy with the treatments here last time. And also, I realized that this is a good place to detox mentally and physically and take a break from the busy life back at home in Perth, Australia. This care center, Madakkampoil, is in a calm, serene environment. Surrounding this, there are not many houses, so you get a break from the city life. Some of my favorite treatments here is massage therapy, which is amazing. It's very different from the Ayurvedic massages or any other massages I've had so far. There are other water therapies for back pain, hip pain, and shoulder pain, etc. Another one which I really liked was the steam therapy. It did feel a bit different from sauna. There was a special room designed for steam therapy. After about 10 minutes in it, I did feel a lot of relief from the sinus issues I usually have. One of the things which I really liked was that the resident doctors here prepare a personalized treatment plan for you when you arrive. And the other staff here, the therapists who give you the treatments like the massage therapy, water therapy, steam therapy, etc., They are very dedicated, and that is one of the highlights of this center. I've been to many other Ayurvedic centers and nature cure centers, but the treatment or the care that is given by the staff here is excellent. I don't have words to describe it. The place is kept very clean. All rooms have bath attached and also air conditioning and a television. There is Wi-Fi available. I also like that this place is surrounded by, there are mango trees, jackfruit trees, and cashew nut trees. So it is such a lovely environment. I would recommend this place for anyone looking for a detox retreat, a fasting retreat, rejuvenation center, or to deal with chronic lifestyle diseases. Hope you like my video. Please subscribe, like and comment, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.